Here at KCO, we have what we call the KCO Sustainability Team, where we regularly discuss ideas of efficient use of energy and efficient use of resources in order to contribute to environmental sustainability. In the case of the onboard unit trays, we had an issue in production with the thickness of the material of the polystyrene tray. And we tried to come up with a solution there, and in parallel we got a request from an Australian customer who requested sustainable transportation packaging. So we tried to target both of these issues, and then we came up with the molded fiber tray. From a technical point of view, the biggest difficulty for the onboard unit trays was the small tolerances that we faced. Thickness of the material, spacing, distances, and so on and so forth. This made it very challenging for our supplier to meet our need.
We found a supplier which was called Traders, who could fulfill our needs of very high tolerances of the inlays. So we started to do some 3D design in coordination with the product management to understand the necessary tolerances between the inlay and the onboard unit. After it, we did the ordering of the prototypes and the prototyping tool, and we did trial tests in the productions. Everything fits fine, so we decided to do the next step, to do next delivery of 200 samples for friendly customers. After the delivery, we received a very good feedback. After that positive feedback, we started to do the serial release of the tool. After we did this release and everything was fine, we started to order the first 10,000 batches for the serial production, which are currently running in our production.
With the new molded fiber trays, we saved over 80% of CO2 emissions, which equals more than 12 metric tons each year, which is a really good thing. But the most satisfying thing is fulfilling customer requirements. Getting tremendous feedback from the customer after we implemented this idea was really something that you can't measure in dollars or in euros or in CO2 emissions reduced. This was really satisfying for us. And now we want to focus on implementing the sustainable transportation packaging on other products like the roadside units, and then continue our efforts for a world of sustainability with other impactful ideas. The dynamic creators team really gave us the boost that we needed to execute this project. And I can only recommend to everybody who has great and fantastic ideas to apply and present their ideas in that initiative.